What's up, y'all? This is my full day eating video. Alright, so today I'm gonna be walking you through my exact process that I use to eat 4,000 calories in a day. Alright, let's get it. Alright, so first thing first, gotta get that pre-workout. Alright, so I'm gonna take my pre-workout and then I'm gonna head out to the gym before I start my full day eating. Alright, let's go.
Hot like 100. Hello.
Alright, so today's workout, I'm gonna start off with some cardio. I'm gonna hit the treadmill, and then right after that, I'm gonna jump on some chest workout. Right.
One more time, your favorite MC's bronze or silver. These vibes here are golden. Cards on the table, there's no folders. Spit bars at the club, zoning. TikTok come to London, get ripped off. Man get pissed off when I start lift off. Sweet like flavors, cookie and biscuit. Round here, yeah, the bars I get ripped off. Picked up my song, yo, every time I tripped up. Little petty trended the big rock. Me and my G's do everything mix up. Full circle, now everybody linked up. That's irrelevant, memory like an elephant. Keep it hard, but you know that it's elegant. Get mad, but always benevolent. Always moving up, just leveling. Constantly telling them rhyming, bridging, sacrifice.
This was a kind of short workout for me, but it was also kind of intense. Yeah, I usually work out on an empty stomach when I go to the gym. Like I like eating right after I work out. But yeah, so I was in a fasted state when I worked out with this.
Hot like 100. Hello.
Loading, strike with the lyrics like I'm bowling. Keep pushing on, keep rolling. And then when I listen.
Alright, so I just got back from the gym. Alright, first thing I do is take my BCAA. Sometimes I take it throughout the day, but this one of those days when I just wanna just drink it right after. Alright, so for my first meal, right after the gym, it'll be 2 slices of waffles, and then with 2 tablespoons of syrup. Then I'm also, for my drink, it'll be a cup of almond milk, and I'm gonna add 2 scoops of my bulk and seasoned mass gain of protein.
Hot like 100. Hello.
Loading, strike with the lyrics like I'm bowling. Keep pushing on, keep rolling. And then when I listen, but I told him one more time, your favorite MC's bronze or silver. These vibes here are golden. Cards on the table, there's no folders. Spit bars at the club, zoning. TikTok come to London, get ripped off. Man get pissed off when I start lift off. Sweet like flavors, cookie and biscuit. Round here, yeah, the bars I get ripped off. Picked up my song, yo, every time I tripped up. Little petty trended the big rock. Me and my G's do everything mix up. Full circle, now everybody linked up. That's irrelevant, memory like an elephant. Keep it hard, but you know that it's elegant. Get mad, but always benevolent. Always moving up, just leveling. Constantly telling them rhyming, bridging. Cycle through these streets, I'm pedaling. Hibernating them boom, she's back again. Oh, cause a little fire on the track again. Turn the music up, vibe like an icon. Yeah, if you want buff, we can go psycho. Head to head, bout turn a mic on. Turn the music up, vibe like an icon. Yeah, it's clear, it's evident, yeah, I don't.
Alright, here we go. This is meal number 2. For my meal number 2, I got 2 scoops of egg whites. Then I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of salsa, 2 tablespoons of guacamole, and then I'll also add 1/3 cup of sliced green peppers.
like 100. Hello, 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 hello.
Loading, strike with the lyrics like I'm bowling. Keep pushing on, keep rolling. And when I listen, but I told him one more time. Your favorite MCs, bronze or silver. These vibes here are golden. Cards on the table, there's no folding. Spit bars at the club, zoning. TikTok come to London, get ripped off. Man get pissed off when I start lift off. Sweet like flavors, cookie and biscuit. Planted, yeah, the bars I get ripped off. Picked up my song, yo, every time I tripped up. Little petty did the big bop. Me and my G's do everything mix up. Full circle.
Alright, so for meal number 3, got 1 scoop of oatmeal, got 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, 1/3 cup of blueberries, and 1/3 cup of strawberries. Alright, let's get it.
Talk full circle, not everybody linked up. That's irrelevant, memory like an elephant. Keep it hard, but you know that it's elegant. Get mad, but always benevolent. Always moving up, just leveling. Constantly telling them rhyming, bridge.
Alright, so meal number 4 is basically just a snack. So it'll just be a medium clean apple, right?
Keep pushing on, keep rolling. Didn't wanna listen, but I told him. One more time, your favorite MCs, bronze or silver. Too bad these vibes here are golden. Cards on the table, there's no folding. Spit bars at the club, zoning. That's irrelevant, memory like an elephant. Keep it hard, but you know that it's elegant. Get mad, but always benevolent. Always moving up, just.
So here we go, meal number 5. So meal number 5 is about 7-ounce steak, and then gonna add 1 cup of rice on the side with that. Right.
Psycho foodie, she's on pedaling, hibernating them bomb, she's back again. Oh, cause the little fire in the check again. Turn the music on, vibe like an icon. Yeah, if you want buff, we can go psycho. Head to head, bar to the mic on. Turn the music up, vibe like an icon. Who's the icon? Who's the icon? Icon.
Alright, so it is time for meal number 6. Meal number 6, it'll be about 4 ounces of chicken breast and 1 cup of broccoli.
Hot like 100. Hello.
Loading, strike with the lyrics like I'm bowling. Keep pushing on, keep rolling. And when I listen, but I told him one more time. Your favorite MCs, bronze or silver. These vibes here are golden. Cards on the table, there's no folding. Spit bars at the club, zoning. TikTok come to London, get ripped off. Man get pissed off when I start lift off. Sweet like flavors, cookie and biscuit. Planted, yeah, the bars I get ripped off. Picked up my song, yo, every time I tripped up. Little petty did the big bop. Me and my G's do everything mix up. Full circle, not everybody linked up. That's irrelevant, memory like an elephant. Keep it hard, but you know that it's elegant. Get mad, but always benevolent. Always moving up, just leveling. Constantly telling them rhyming, bridging. Cycle through these streets, I'm pedaling, hibernating them bomb, she's back again. Oh, cause a little fire on the track again. Turn the music up, vibe like an icon. Yeah, if you want buff, we can go psycho. Head to head, bar to bar, turn the mic on. Turn the music up, vibe like an icon.
Alright, so here we go. This is meal number 7. For meal number 7, it'll be a cup of almond milk and then 2 scoops of the bulky seasoned protein powder. Alright.
Didn't wanna listen, but I told him. One more time, your favorite MCs, bronze or silver. Too bad these vibes here are golden. Cards on the table, there's no folding. Spit bars at the club, zoning. That's irrelevant, memory like an elephant. Keep it hard, but you know that it's elegant. Get mad, but always benevolent. Always moving up, just leveling. Constantly telling them rhyming, bridging. Psycho foodie, she's on pedaling, hibernating them bomb, she's back again. Oh, cause the little fire in the check again. Turn the music on, vibe like an icon. Yeah, if you want buff, we can go psycho. Head to head, bar to the mic on. Turn the music up, vibe like an icon. Who's the icon?
Alright, so here we go. This is meal number 8. For meal number 8, it will be about 7 ounces of chicken wings and about 5 ounces of boiled potato.
icon. Icon, icon.
Alright, so now it's time for meal number 9. So for meal number 9, I got 4 ounces of salmon and half a cup of rice.
Hot like 100. Hello, 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 hello.
Loading, loading, strike with the lyrics like I'm bowling, bowling. Keep pushing on, keep rolling, rolling. And when I listen, but I told him one more time. Your favorite MCs, bronze or silver. These raps here are golden, golden. Cards on the table, there's no folding. Spit bars at the club, zoning, zoning. TikTok come to London, get ripped off. Man get pissed off when I start lift off. Sweet like flavors, cookie and biscuit. Round here, yeah, the bars I get ripped off. Picked up my song, yo, every time I tripped up. Little petty trended the big bop. Me and my G's do everything mix up. Full circle, that everybody linked up. That's irrelevant, memory like an elephant. Keep it hard, but you know that it's elegant. Get mad, but always benevolent.
Alright, so my last meal of the day to reach my 4,000 calories, it would just be, I just take 4 tablespoons of peanut butter. That will make up for 4,000 calories. Alright.
Bulky season.